Mr. Mom's Racing. Okay, guys, this is the race you've been waiting for. We got the Chevy truck set and the Ford truck set, and these were the fastest of both. Fat man approved. Low rider, yeah. Fat man, probably scrape. Oh boy, and green, it's the color of money. All right, we're gonna rack them. Ford versus Chevy. Fat man approved. Fat chick will scrape. I'm gonna get to the end of the 60-foot stretch. Dropping for us. It's Crazy King Kane. Hold tight. About 2/3 of the 60-foot. We're going to do a one and done if it's a real big butt whooping. If it's close, we're going to do a lane change. You ready, Crazy King Kane?
Yes.
Okay. They're rip! Oh, that's a butt whooping like thought. Oh, that's a butt whooping like thought. Wow. Whew. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. Boy, ain't she a beaut too. Mr. Mom's Racing.